Good morning. It is 6 a.m. So let's go check on the mattress. Seems to unravel properly. Ooh. It is actually quite comfy. This morning I'm heading out to... Where am I going? Somewhere in New South Wales. We're going to the beach so that I can try to get some surfing shots with the drone with some friends. And I'm packing my breakfast slash snack. So I have some cut apples, some peanut butter, my tea, and then some peanuts. And then I think I'm gonna go get petrol and then I'm gonna head out. I made it out to the beach. I'm waiting for the girls to get geared up and go out to these waves. It doesn't look as clean today, but then again I'm still new to like what conditions are best, but it does look a little bit rough, at least in my novice opinion. Yeah, got the drone set up, just waiting for them to go out and see if they can have a go and see if I can film anything worthwhile. They're in the back. Yeah, let's just fly the drone and see if I can find them. Oh, that might be them. They're all just blobs. Okay, remote control battery died. That's the first time that's ever happened because normally the battery on this thing lasts forever. But we saw dolphins with the girls, so that was really cool. I followed the dolphins for a little bit and then I went to go find the girls, but they're further down that way. And now everything's dying, so, but I think I caught like one or two, so that's kind of nice. Maybe next time will be cleaner surf and then we can get some more. Okay, I'm back home now from the surf. It was really fun, and I made a new friend. So we are checking out this one. We've let it out for overnight, and then we just put some more breaths of air in it, so it is a little bit more full. But yeah, really comfy. So now we should just check how it fits into the back of the car. Right. Maybe open the door and go through. No, push it.
Ready?
Yep. Yep.
You want to try and lay down?
Yeah.
Not sure if you can take it out.
Really? Yeah. Oh, it's actually comfy, yes. Oh, this is nice. Like if you had the duvet and then you had the pillow.
It's not bad.
It's really nice. Ow.
It actually is comfy.
Do you want to sleep down here tonight?
No.
Why?
Gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah, so?
Don't want to sleep out here.
Why not?
I'd rather sleep in the bed than you.
Yeah, but I'd rather try here in the comforts of like our home to see what we need.
Are you gonna sleep out here tonight?
What do I have tomorrow? Oh yeah, I could. Actually. But we'd need like car shades and stuff. Sorry, I completely forgot to vlog, but the mattress is doing well. I'm here at Office Works because I had some things to print out, and I managed to get a new lacy, which is great because I've been on the looks for one for like 2 weeks now, but they're all like different prices. But Office Works actually has a price beat guarantee and will beat it by 5%. So I showed them the one from Apple, which will take like a couple of days to get in, and this one I could just pick up, which was brilliant, and I got it cheaper. So yay for Office Works. Now I'm going to go see a friend down in Burley, and then Fer and I are going to meet up later to do a pizza by the beach with our new setup. So we're so excited. Okay, got to figure out where they are now, so let's go. So I met up with my friends and we just sat down in Burley and like had some fun time. Now Ferdi should be on his way back, and then we're gonna head out. I'm thinking to Fingerheads to do a little photo shoot and some video shoots would be really nice. And then we're gonna go get some pizza and have like our little date. It's gonna be so cute. Yeah. 45. No, it's 4. We said we meet at 3. I got here at like 3:10. Why were you late?
Lost. Actually, roads are such a nice
Area.
piece here.
Oh, that's
It's like a
shame.
rainforest.
Yeah, where is it?
I have no idea. Somewhere in Mount Tamborine.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. And we lost the 360. We stuck on the sticker last night, and it had been like maybe 18 hours, and usually they tell you like 24 hours to keep it on before you put anything on it. And he went over a speed bump, and it's gone. Yeah. We had this, we had the selfie stick.
Yeah, but the selfie stick you can reuse.
Yeah. We'll probably end up getting a new one because I want the new X3 so that I can use it diving, which looks incredible, like the footage. So maybe it's just a hint from the universe that we need to get a new one. No, it's fine. I mean, these things happen, right? Like, we're using it for adventure stuff and there is a chance. So, it's alright. Look at him. Not even phased. He's like, oh well. You can get another one. Yeah. We're gonna get fish and chips and then go sit on the beach and look at the rest of the festival. Where's the ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've made it back home. We've got a bunch of things to do. Like, I just bought the lacy, so I am offloading a bunch of my, well, not offloading, I am backing up a lot of my previous footage for the past month that hasn't been backed up yet. So I had doubles of everything, and then I still have to offload almost like all of my gear, and then I have to go to bed. Tomorrow I kind of wanted to do something for sunrise, but I don't think I have time to do anything. I have a bunch of errands to catch up on, so gonna do that, and then I have a photo shoot and some other plans. So anyway, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!